Hello guys, today I just want to show you guys how to create a poster or a flyer using PhotoPad Vision 4.03, a software by NCH guys. So the first of all guys, we have to click new and we click your how long you want your poster to be, which is 500 over 500, or depending to you, you can say 1000 times 2000 pixels. Then click OK. So you can create here guys. So the first is to let me create another just for fun. Then here I will create, I want to put some words guys. Just want to put some words, how to create a poster or a flyer using PhotoPad. Yeah, that's all. So guys, the first thing you may do is to go to tools, is to go to filters. You can go here, make change, or it will change your background to be a reddish. Then you can go to effect. Now you can go to color. Then you can change this to be brownish, to be brown. Then you can go to tool. You can add your text as that raw record, that raw record, that raw records, and you put it up sideways. You drag it and put it to the top. Then you can go to Tupac. Then you can copy this, you cut it and take your time, then you paste it. This is garbage. Okay, go here, you copy, you go here, click here, then you paste. But yeah, paste it. You can decrease even the size of it, decrease the capacity. Then you can go here again, you can copy, you cut it very neat, and you can click here, then you paste this one again. Then guys, now here is where we turn our image, then put it back in the corner. We can take size. Then here guys, we can also add our effect, use effect, put our effect, which is color curve. Then guys, when we deal with color curve on an overlay, we will make it more white. No, we're doing color curve in the wrong image, doing color curve with the wrong image. This is the image that we have to do color curve. So you can we go down, we move here, good. Then we also decrease the opacity. Guys, we can move up, click the last photo so that you can see everything that you have did. Then even here guys, we can decrease the opacity and the capacity of the capacity. On the capacity. Then guys, this is what you will have. Then guys, I told you, I tell you guys how to draw Tupac, how to then guys, you can create until you put Tupac here guys. Depends how you want to put Tupac. Then guys, you either sometimes if you will like, you'll make Tupac to look like this, and I did teach you guys how to make Tupac look at this. Then you put some words on life goes on world tour. Put your name of the name of the tour, guys, is either True Levens Records World Tour, Dead Row Records World Tour, Rock Nation World Tour, depending to you guys what is the name of your tour, or what your flyers are. Sometimes you can even create posters for the business party invitation. This is also the way to create invitations, guys. Invitations, posters, flyers, we all create them in the same way. But take your time, put the time, venue at Coca-Cola, wall at Town Wall, New York Town Wall, everywhere, guys. The venue, the time. Don't forget to put the time. The time from 000 a.m. to 6 a.m. What else, guys? But guys, if you did take your time, you will create the photo exactly like this. You can see, okay, this is Death Row Records, Tupac, Dear Mama, Well Tour, Big Pan, Pitbull K9, Notorious Big Nose, Hebson, Liga LC, Nasty C, Jay-Z, Snoopy Dr. The 3 AZ, Coca-Cola Dome at Freiburg. The time is 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. The date is the 28th of July 2018. So guys, this is how we create the video. Actually, I'm very tired, guys. This is how you create the poster, the flyer, or the invitation. If you are creating an invitation, you can put this and tell, hey guys, you are invited to my lady's neighbor's birthday party, 28th birthday party, to the 16th birthday party, everything, guys. And you name you write your name here, Phumeleli Zimba, True Levens Records birthday party, True Levens Records birthday party. Yeah, you can write True Levens Records birthday party. I put all my artists here. Then I write it is the True Levens Records have been operating about 5 years now. Yeah. What else? Okay, guys, please don't forget to follow me and my social media. Okay, I'll drop all the link on the description section, guys. Next Friday, I'm dropping another video, guys, on how to create a logo using PhotoPad, guys. If guys is there anything that you would like me to show you here in this image, you are free, guys. You are free to ask. Just drop any type of question in the comment section. I will answer you as fast as I am. I usually check I usually check the comments twice a day, at the morning when I wake up and late. So guys, make sure you drop any question. I will respond to your question, and make sure your question is about the NCH software, and the NCH software, especially about PhotoPad, DrawPad, VideoPad, Animate Express. But you can also ask some of the question in other software, but the most software that I focus to are the one that I just mentioned. Okay, what else, guys? You can see here you decrease. You see, just the difference between this image is the size. This is 1024. This is 500 over 500. Yeah, this is 500. This is 500 over 500. Just depend to the length and the width of your image. What else, guys? I can tell you. Yeah, guys, this is how you create the poster. Thank you a lot, guys, for watching. catch me on the next video, guys. How to create the logo. How to create the logo using PhotoPad. This is amazing.